What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today I'm with Barnsey Bowling. We brought our spare balls, and today we're gonna have a head-to-head split competition with some splits that we can actually make. Game time. What? What did you say?
I'm a better spare shooter. Doesn't count. String.
Strings don't count. But that's unfortunate that I slid the first one in front after he said, I'm a better spare shooter. Oh, you're gonna need a string on the ball to hit that one. That's back to back, I wrapped it. That's unfortunate. I'm lasered in though, lasered in.
2 for 2, kind of.
2 for 2, like, kind of.
No. Lights turn on, I'm folding.
I'm gonna have to slightly adjust the target here. Aye. Yeah, shouldn't have adjusted the target.
Bounce.
Shouldn't have adjusted the target at all. Tried to move my eyes a little further down the lane.
No.
Ah!
I swear I made like 8 for this.
I'm a better spare shooter.
We might be here for a minute.
Yeah, what are we racing to 5? I made the first 2, what do you mean?
Oh my God.
It's funny because we warmed up for a while and Ryan did make about 1,000 of them. That didn't use the string. Bounce it out, count it.
Yeah, okay.
Early lead, and I'm lasered in. Oh, that's so bad. I threw that one like Ryan.
What happened?
I'm only saying that because he made 6 in a row before we turned the camera on. 1.
I'm not even close.
I knew what it is. You threw too many practice shots, dragged some oil down lane. You had some room earlier, now you have none. Hi. Not my best effort. I keep changing up my target to try and make it. I should probably stop doing that. Ryan, what's your strategy here?
I'm just being an athlete, trying to hit the 2.
It's called athleticism.
Oh.
Money.
Boom. 1.
Tie game. If this was a house shot, we probably wouldn't have missed yet.
Bounce.
See, that's
2.
literally because of the string though.
2. 2.
Real ones or what?
Kinda. They bounced out the back.
I'm fried.
I feel like it's only fair though. Like I had 2 that bounced out the back. I also had 2 of them that wrapped. Well, yeah, it made it, but I didn't count those. Oh no. Ay, ay, ay. Two.
Quickly ties it.
Nothing out the back.
2.
Nothing wrapping around. Just ace.
I apologize for being more accurate than you. That's what happens in bowling. If you're more accurate, you just get unluckier more often.
Literally gotten more lucky.
The first 2 wrapped it. What? I want to bounce it back again, just because.
Oh my God.
What if I really get out there on the lip? Do you think it'll be easy? Let me bounce it out the back again, please.
Oh my God. Dude, what are you doing?
I don't know what you're doing. You're tied though, so it doesn't matter.
Nice out the back. Yeah.
3. straight across. When you make it, you make it. I'm just saying.
Big feel guy.
Big feel guy. It was close. Just gotta make small adjustments. Oh, he didn't back it up. Hey.
Let's stop with the backup.
Foul. Cheater. Cheater. And let it bounce out the back again. Play with him. Wow, no, not like that. That was hilarious. We'll get him next time, Ryan. We will get him next time.
Man, that was close.
That was close. It's not as close as yours, but. Shooter!
Four.
Could have been 3 in a row.
Could have been. That would have been game too. That would just.
Needs it. Dude, like, you have 3 makes and none of them are on the pin.
I believe it was pin to pin contact, not string to pin contact, so the rules play. I mean, if you shoot that thing into the left corner, you never know. Next make wins.
Oh,
Did it bounce out the back?
he tried.
Yeah, that was not my best shot.
He's a beggar. Give me a break, man.
Yeah, it's not like it happens every time. You gotta be skilled for that. That hit the string.
You're
hit
right.
that one. The string hit down.
Strings hit all of them.
I mean, technically the string always hits it. Shooter! Maybe not.
It's just dead on the 3 pin, 2 pin.
I'll give you a real one this time, okay? Not saying the other ones weren't real, but this one will be straight.
That's pretty good.
It didn't hit it.
I think it did, but
Count that.
No, I think it wrapped it. I mean, if you guys both like it,
I think it would have actually hit it, but the string definitely helped.
you know, because I shot a bunch into the corner, I won't take it, okay? Oh!
It's fine, I didn't make it anyway.
It's okay, fouls don't count in action, right?
Yeah. Aced.
That was clean.
I got a rebuttal.
You do have a rebuttal. You do have a rebuttal. We'll give him the rebuttal.
Oh, give it to him.
I mean,
Perfect balance.
5 to 5. Same number of shots. What do we do for a tiebreaker?
First one to make like a 6-7
First one to make a 6-7?
or a 4-10.
Okay. Tied at 5, so we're switching up the spare to something a little harder. First one to make it wins. Ryan said we're equally talented spare shooters, and I'm going to prove him wrong. Right here. 6-7 for me.
you're not like that. Give me a chance.
I am like that. Tell him. I'm like that. I cannot believe I made that first
That's
try.
incredible.
I'm like that. That was a quick tie break there. Well, guys, it was fun. I definitely think it's a little easier to make them with the strings. Like, I popped a couple out the back. That still happens, but it doesn't happen as often. You know, it is what it is. You play by the rules of the game. I can't change the way the pin setters are. We took the strings out of play, so. Thank you guys for watching. We appreciate it. So if you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see us shoot more crazy splits, maybe we could get some guest appearances as well on here. Let us know what splits and who you want to see next on the channel. And until the next one, guys. Peace.